Hey, the 4680 lithium battery on the recently popular Tesla pickup truck. 46 is its diameter, 8 is its length. 0 means it's a cylinder. I heard it uses all polar air technology. Capacity density up to 25,000 milliamp-hours. Cycle once a day, lifespan up to 10 years. So what is all polar air technology? Let's take it apart and do a reverse study. How about it? Does it look inflamed? Listen to the sound. Shell stainless steel. Remove the shell. There are dense polar airs at both ends of the positive and negative electrodes. Continue to disassemble the polar fluid layer. Whoa, why so long? Pull the 3-meter ruler to the bottom. It doesn't reach its length. I've been here too long. The ruler is still a bit short. Make do with it. Summarize what is an all-polar air. It is to bend 1 and 2 longitudinal polar airs, placed at the upper and lower ends of the polar fluid. Positive and negative lugs at the upper and lower ends, through the entire polar fluid layer, no matter how long the polar fluid layer is. The distance between plus or minus 2 gills is always this long. This reduces impedance. If the impedance is small, the heat generation of the battery is low. Effectively improve the battery life and efficiency. At the same time, the charging speed is accelerated. I have to say, whoever invented him is a genius. It gets better. It is effective for up to 2,500 cycles. If it is made into a power bank, 25,000 milliamp-hours of power, you can charge your phone 6 times a day. Then if you charge it once a day, can it be used for more than 20 years?